My brothers and sisters, I found this video of Tequila from this video that she did back in 2020 during the seed times of Tequila doing her true nature in this video, talking about black people and talking about our queen sisters too. My brothers and sisters of Tequila doing her true nature in this video. Tequila is doing her true nature in this video, putting down black people for no reason. In this video, Tequila is doing her true nature, that I will put a link down below, because I don't want to put it on YouTube, because there is too many copyright images in the video. That I will put a link to my Instagram account. My brothers and sisters, here we go, And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My brothers and sisters, like and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My brothers and sisters, here we go,